Hello mga marites ni Chongde.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Blackpink's Jennie and GOT7's Bam Bam. Only here on
Annyeong Chiga Update!
Blackpink's Jennie denies dating rumors with GOT7 Bam Bam. There were photos of Jennie and Bam Bam at a famous Japanese restaurant in Los Angeles that circulated online and made a buzz, which caused a rumors that they are dating. Jennie's agency, OA Entertainment, responded on the rumors on September 19th and stated the two, who have been friends for a while, met up for a meal in the United States. Jennie is currently preparing to make a comeback with a new solo single in October after signing a partnership with a major American record label, Columbia Records. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about the rumors between GOT7 Bam Bam and Blackpink's Jennie? Comment your thoughts below.
And please like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV.